we are the bride. And in the face of our sin, God sent his son. And so because of that, now Ramsey can be presented as holy and blameless and pure before us. That's why she's wearing a white dress today, by the way. It's because Jesus wins. And by his blood alone, he has poured out his blood so that we can have the forgiveness of sin.
Holy angels are falling on their faces at the foot of the highest of songs. All of heaven is calling on me, full of worship, hearts overflow. Holy, 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 we'll never stop singing to you. Holy, 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 Jesus is only for you. Jesus is only.
Ramsey, I give you my life this day in the presence of God. According.
Caleb, according to the will of God and my desire, I give myself to you.
All that I am and all that I have,
I promise to cherish and respect you
I will love and cherish you.
in times of sorrow and struggle.
I will lead and protect you as we share our life with God.
These things I give to you
Today, tomorrow, and for the rest of our lives.
and all the days of my life.
Jesus is only